Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I have a recipe for making a smoked salmon sushi rolls to recommend to everyone. Let's start making this menu together. 1. Prepare the cooked sushi rice and add it in a mixing bowl. 2. Season the rice with salt, sugar, and mirin. 3. After that, stir in the rice and seasoning until well combined. 4. Prepare seaweed. 5. Place the sushi rice on the seaweed. 6. Place the smoked salmon accordingly. 7. Roll the seaweed together. 8. Brush the sushi roll with sesame oil. 9. Cut the sushi into bite-sized pieces. 10. Serve sushi with soy sauce and wasabi, pickled ginger. Enjoy!